Hello beautiful, it's Sam. Welcome back to my bedroom. It's crazy in here. Very, very messy. Not that you can even see because I'm kind of blocking it. But aside from my bed being made, it's pretty messy in here. The reason is I'm doing a little deep cleanse of my apartment. The reason, other than decluttering and all that jazz, is one, I want to simplify living just a little bit. If you watched my coffee talk vlog, you saw that I was kind of trying to get rid of stuff so that I can open my space and just feel a little less cluttered. But I do love things. I was also raised on the concept of if you want to buy something new, you got to get rid of something old, just to, one, keep the balance, and to reinforce the understanding that it's a privilege to have things and it's a privilege to be able to buy things. So you always want to donate, and if you're in a position where you could have things, it's really also important to give things as well. And I love giving things, so I'm on my tippy toes. Why am I doing this? I need a tripod. Also, fall officially. This is my first fall in this apartment, and it's coming up on a year here, and it's my favorite season. So we're blessed to be able to decorate and go fall shopping today. So I am ecstatic about that. My bestie Allisa is coming to meet me right now, and we're gonna go to my favorite store. Wow, it's a day of favorites. TJ Maxx and, oh wait, no, not TJ Maxx. TJ Maxx is one of my favorite stores, but we're going to Home Goods today and potentially Hobby Lobby. We'll see where the wind takes us. Who wants to go shopping? Let's do it. Right now, my kitchen is a little bit of a mess. I was going to clean it, but I'm like, no, this is real life. So let's show the mess, you know? Well, anyway, this is what I have set up from the summer. So I have this watermelon drying sheet, and then like the cactus, and then I had a few other summer things. But as far as fall, my mom got me this pumpkin spice everything, super cute. And she also got us this. So I've been putting, like, when the Keurigs are done, I've been like just quickly putting them in there as a trash bin. We got pumpkin muffin coffee, and that's not fall decor. Alyssa bought me this guy, the skeleton doing yoga, and I have a pumpkin spice candle, but that's about it for fall decor. So I'm looking forward to getting some cute little things to just add, and because you know I love cute little things. I also bought this the other week at Home Goods. I don't know what brand this is. Let's see. Cafe Creations. If you happen to be in the store and you see this, you better grab this brand, because that ish, not only is it super cute, it smells like heaven. Okay, whoop, a little zoomed in. All right, so I just pulled into the shopping center with Hobby Lobby, and there's a Panera, and Sammy's hungry, so I think Alyssa and I decided that we're gonna get some lunch first, and then, I don't know, I'm tempted to go into Hobby Lobby now. Whoop. We'll see how Alyssa feels if she wants to go in there too. Anyways, Autumn Squash Soup, is that you calling my name? Well, that lighting's not that great. Oh, how about this? Hi, we just went to Panera. Got the light. The light's not good. The lighting. No! No! Why, Panera parking lot? Why you do that? As we're blinded by the light, we're gonna go to Hobby Lobby. We decided. General consensus. General?
Because Alyssa went to the wrong place, and now she drove here, and now we said might as well just go to Hobby Lobby while we're here.
Just take a look at that eyeshadow. Okay, anyway, let's do this. So we made it into the floral aisle. We need the fall decor.
I mean, I'm already done fall shopping. Sam's a little late to the party, just saying.
Uh-huh. Ooh, we got fall stuff. Anything cute? Anything cute? Anything super cute? Okay. Okay.
I don't feel like I'm wasting my time. I'm gonna start early Christmas shopping, and I'm not gonna show you anything, obviously, because people watch my video and I want them to see what I'm getting them. Sam is just always stealing what I'm saying for her vlog.
I just wanted to get that clip because it looks so funny. Just Alyssa, like, behind the scenes of an actual vlog, like just talking to an aisle. So it looks like from here to here is what we're working with, and then it's Christmas. So yeah, exactly. cute. Let me see. What is it?
These staple pictures. You can put
Oh,
a picture of me and you right there next to
cute.
your bed.
Hobby Lobby was a success. I do want to get some home things, so we're going to Home Goods.
Are you surprised?
I thought you were yawning.
Oh no,
I was like, take two. All right, off to Home Goods.
Home Goods. Here we come.
Oh yeah, just side note, Hobby Lobby does not have a scanner.
Tell
they
me
have to
what
manually
the
enter
point-
it.
But what is the point of that? I don't get it.
Old school. See, this is where it's at. Look at this. See, this store, I walk in and I just light up. Look at this pumpkin we found. It's $30. Alyssa convinced me to get it. Oh wait.
Because you go and spend $30 on food or something and
True.
then you just poop it out. You're the one that taught me this, so I don't know why you're surprised. She's literally the one that taught me this. That's something you're gonna own for the rest of your life. It's beautiful. It matches your decor perfectly.
This is why I go shopping with your friends. But
Because they force you to buy things.
But this kind of goes with my room. You'll see it when I film the decoration part. That's cute.
Boo, Benjaboo.
So cute. Look at this. This is cool, like pine cone thing. When you really cut it out.
Ew, I hate it.
We don't want that out.
Come here, look at this guy.
Put that back. Put that back. Oh my god, you need this. What is this? I don't know, but wait, you need this. Look.
It is really cute.
It's so cute. I like this pumpkin. It's cute.
This too.
Cute, cute, cool, and cute. We're back. 2 hours later, we did some damage. I don't know if I'm gonna decorate today because I have to clean still, but I got a lot of cool stuff, so maybe in this video I'll do the haul and then the next video will be decorating. I think that's the plan. See you when I get home. Home. My feet hurt. It was only a couple hours, but okay. So many bags, messy apartment. We're doing the most right now. Hi, welcome to Home Goods. Let me show you what I got. Okay, folks, what a day. I'm so tired. My herniated disc is quaking right now from just my morning. This morning I did 5 people's makeup, so my back hurts, my feet hurt, blah, blah, blah. Let me show you what I got from everywhere. Fall decor just hits me in a way that nothing else does. So let's just get into it. I'm just gonna grab whatever comes out of the bag first. You cool with that? Okay. Firstly, how freaking cute is this pillow? My boyfriend hates throw pillows. He doesn't see a purpose to them. I say if it lights you up, buy it. So that's what this did. It's so cute. I think this is gonna go in the living room. Right in here on the couch. So I think that looks really cute there. We'll figure that out later. Possibly in the bedroom. I'm gonna toy around with something. Next pillow I got. I figured this pillow could totally transition into winter as well. So it's just a sweater cream pillow. These two together. Hello, how you doing? Yay, oh, those look really cute on the couch. Next thing, I got a bronze pumpkin. This is going to go in my kitchen because I have a lot of bronze kitchen equipment. It kind of like was the theme, bronze and marble, when we first moved in. I actually think this is copper. My bad. It can go either way, but yeah, it's definitely more copper. Comment below what your eyes see. Is the dress gold and white or blue and gray? Anyway, so cute. This is pretty durable and like sturdy, and it was $13. So I thought that was pretty good, given all the $30 pumpkins that came my way. Oh, I saw this checking out, and not that this is relevant right now, but I'm gonna put this out for November for Thanksgiving. But you know, when it's Home Goods, if you see it and you know you're gonna like it, you gotta buy it right then and there because it's not gonna be there next week, at least in my experience. Next from Home Goods, I got this table runner. I don't have a table other than this coffee table, so I was thinking of putting it on the coffee table, but that was Alyssa's idea, so shout out Alyssa for that idea. I went with this orange and blue and gold table runner. Next, I bought 2 sweater style pumpkins. I think I might put this in my bedroom, I got the blue one for Drew and the orange one for me, so it's kind of like a cool sweater aesthetic moment. How do you describe things when you're not a professional describer? You just have to think on your toes. So we'll put those here for a nice background. I don't know. I just think the sweater pumpkins are a little bit more cozy. I feel like that will go better in my bedroom. Kitchen. Ugh. Every season I buy kitchen towels and I think they're the cutest thing, and I couldn't find like super cute ones, so I just got this one. Give thanks. I love watercolor and I like this little boho moment. So that's gonna go in the kitchen as well. Also bought some overpriced disposable cups because coffee is life. Second to last thing I got from HomeGoods is the pumpkin that, you know, we had to get. It goes with my room so well, so might as well have this for the years to come. And that's it for pumpkins. So I don't know, this might be too many pumpkins in my room, but are there really ever too many pumpkins in your room? Okay, so the very last thing I got from HomeGoods is this little side table. I have this side table in my room, but just a little bit larger. So I ended up buying the smaller one because it matches, two because there's a little chair area in the corner of my bedroom that I would like to have like a side table on, so it actually worked out really well. I wish it was a little bit taller. Wish I was a baller. Wish I had, no, we won't go there. But this was $40. This has got some beading on it. It's a nice wood, some hand painting. So 40 bucks, sorry girl, had to get that. And then let me show you what I got from Hobby Lobby. So the first thing is, I think these are gonna go in the living room. I'm kind of leaning towards that. So this is actually a light, I think. I don't know, it has a plug. I have not plugged it in. I want to plug this in. Hold the phone. Ooh, how cute. Oh my god, you can't even see that. How cute is that? That's going in the living room. This is too cute because our living room is kind of nature inspired. Like we have this tapestry, we have some animal prints and stuff like that. So this is very woodsy and I feel like that will go well with what's going on in the living room. I got this cute basket that we saw in the clips before, and I also bought flowers to put in here. So I got these two bouquets, I guess, that I'm gonna trim down and put in here. Super cute. Oop, where is it? Put that in there, yes. I got this, what do you call this? Garland? This is gonna go on the windowsill in the living room too. Yo, I'm so excited to put all this together. Just seeing it against like everything I have already. See, this is like when you're in high school or you're in college and you're daydreaming about moving out or I'm sorry, I'm speaking solely on myself right now. I remember sitting in college, just dreaming of living in an apartment and decorating it. It's just part of like my enjoyment in life. Like I just love putting pretty things together. That's why I do makeup. Yeah, now I'm getting sidetracked, but yeah, this is just like one of those moments where it's like you just so look forward to before you have it, and now it's here and I just appreciate this moment so much. Thank you, God. Anyway, let's continue. Allisa pointed these out. I think these are so cute. They're little picture frame holders and they were like $1. And the last two items are these cotton, I don't like, is this an actual plant that exists in the world that they're trying to mimic, like a cotton plant? Yes. Yes, that's exactly what this is. It's been a long day. Okay. But super cute to add texture. And then lastly, I got this fall blanket, so we'll figure out where all this stuff is going. As the sun is setting right now, I need to do a deep clean on this apartment right now. Oh, it looks like a cute little fall mess. I can't wait to decorate. I'm so excited. Hopefully within the next coming videos, you will see this all laid out and this all decorated and put together. Alrighty, that's it for today. Love you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.